Yes, honey, it's me. If you want to see how my hairstyle is slayed, never betrayed, this brown long wig, then stay tuned. And I'll show you how it was styled long at the end of the video as well, y'all. It's your favorite bald head, smile head. Let's get into it. Honey, I was really feeling myself, y'all. This wig is from Westkiss. Okay, so boom, y'all already know how I get down. Let's get into it. She doing that middle part down, the bust down the middle, straight back Allen Iverson's. You already see it. Yes, Shiny Meat Millie's. Y'all already know how I get down. She from Detroit, so she grabbed the back of that neck. Yeah, looking like a fine beetle. Y'all already know. Watch her put that. And she already oiled me up. I think, because you see them roots is looking greasy. Eyelashes on spotted legs, but I'm still looking good. Yeah. Okay, so she's sliding the hair back with that gel. You already know. Bae talking loud in the background. Yeah, new Bae. No face, no case. In my back. Anyway, let me get back to the video. Okay, so y'all see, that look like snot, but it's not. It is the got to be a gel. She just smoothing back all my edges before she put down the little shabal ball cap. Okay, y'all, next she's going to brush all that product to the back so it can slick all my edges down. Yeah, honey, get all that. And y'all see, I got a lot of hair that grow all down my forehead, but she's just gonna brush all that hair, all the little edges and little small hairs back before she put on my cap. Now let's get into it. Yes, honey, giving sexy caterpillar. Y'all already see me with the spider legs. I'm giving what I'm giving, even with the cap. Okay, I could see the beauty coming through, baby. Now, once we get the cap on, she's going to start putting some Gots to Be gel across there, honey. So now you can see where my hairs and stuff at. So she's just placing it where she's going to lay my wig at. So we want to cover up all that. And once this dry, my cap will be stuck there and she'll get to cutting off the cap. But she's going to put the Gots to Be gel and she's going to go back in and spray across my hairline too with the Gots to Be freeze spray. So I've already been up under the dryer, y'all, with my ball cap, and she's cut the lace, not the lace, the excess cap off. Now we're about to put my wig on and glue it down. So the wig is on right here and it's been glued down and I've been up under the dryer. So the hair was still long at this point in the video, but I told her to cut it like, almost shoulder length, maybe like 12 inches. But this hair was super long, y'all. But I wanted a short Maryland cut. And I do, at the end of the video, you will see how I styled it when it was longer. Because I still styled it while it was longer so you could see. But this is her just cutting it into layers. Now she has curled it. Yes, it's giving Black Marilyn Monroe, baby. She did exactly what I wanted her to do. Shout out to her, baby, because Keisha don't play when it comes to this lace. Yes, it's giving. It's giving. Y'all see me. I want to hear it, honey. It's giving Black Barbie. Yes, I loved this wig. I don't know. Something about this brown hair. Everybody was asking me, did I have a little something in my ancestry? You feel me? Yes. Brown is my color, y'all. Okay, y'all. This is a full week into wearing this hair. I don't know how to curl hair. I don't know how to do nothing. But this is a full week into wearing this hair. And it's still on my head. The curls have fallen. It's giving Farrah Fawcett. Yeah. We did a little loose curl this time, but the wig was still on my head, honey. I had this wig on my head for a full 2 weeks, baby. It gave what it gave, y'all. We was at a pool party. It started raining, and I just wanted to show you how the hair did fall once it started raining. But the hair did not freeze up like I thought it was going to. Like, yeah. And this is my hairstylist, me and her at the pool party. But y'all see how far the hair has fallen, honey. And it's wet, but it's still hanging on. Okay, y'all, before I took this wig to my hairstylist, I said I would put the wig on long just with a little freeze spray so I could show you what the hair looked like long. So this was the night before. Y'all, this hair is super, oh my goodness. Look at how pretty this hair is. And y'all see how easy it was for me to put this wig on. I am not a professional. I didn't do all them baby hairs and stuff. I just put it on. But y'all, this wig, this brown on me, I was thinking, you know, brown, it's kind of gonna match my skin tone and it ain't gonna look, yes, get it. Look at me in my TV. Get it, y'all. This is so, oh, pretty, y'all. And I think this is body wave, but I did straighten it on my lowest setting and it still got straight like this. Like, this hair is thick and full. It's a full lace frontal from ear to ear. Is full, y'all. It's not like, oh, a little peekaboo. No, it was a full frontal, y'all. So, oh my goodness, I feel like somebody, y'all. Yes, and like I said, this wig is from Westkiss, and it did come with a little, let me show you. It came with a little baggie, and it came with some eyelashes, y'all. Excuse my background, I got stuff everywhere, y'all. This room is so junky from me being in here, but y'all, look at these big old lashes, like, for real. Bro, I look good. I look good. Okay. But y'all, look at these lashes if I can get them out the pack. Oh, honey, y'all be sending out the good lashes to y'all customers. Y'all, these lashes be A1. Hello. And then it came with a cap and a like a headband. It did come with a wig cap and a little headband in here that would match my hair. So it came with all that. But y'all, I'm actually going to put on one of my big headbands. Y'all know, well, it's not that big, but look how cute this gonna be. Oh, I'm messing up my hair. Look how cute. Oh, yes, ma'am. All right, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you feel about this wig. I'm so glad I got this wig before I got my braids done, because baby, this is cute. And this color is bomb. If you are brown skin, light skin, chocolate dark, it don't matter. This wig will set it off, honey. See you guys in the next video. Peace.